Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a NAND gate circuit built with two diodes. So this is a two input NAND gate. Let's see its connection. Diode D1 and diode D2. That's why it is two input, because it contains two diodes. This is diode D1, which is connected to S1. S1 is SPDT switch. Its one terminal is connected to ground and the other terminal is connected to V2, which is equal to 5 volt. Similarly, this is diode D2. It is connected to S2 ohm. It is also an SPDT switch. As you see, one end is connected to ground and the other is connected to V2, which is equal to 5 volt. Now let's see the other part of the circuit. This is LED which is acted as output, and this is supply voltage source, which is also equal to 5 volt. Now let's simulate the circuit. As you know, when both inputs are connected to high voltage source, the output of NAND gate is 0 or logic low. Now let's toggle switches. LED goes high, it means a high voltage at the output, because we supply low at S2 and high at S1. Similarly, again toggle switch, LED remains turned on. Both switches are connected to the low voltage and LED still remains turned on. Now this is the truth table for the NAND gate. This is how it works. Let's analyze the path of the current. This is plus 5 volt and this is 0 volt. Similarly, here is 0 volt as well. The current will flow from higher potential, that is 5 volt, to the 0 volt. In this case, we have two paths for the current. The current will also flow from this path and also flow from this path. So current will flow from this path and this path, because diode turns on, and some current will flow from this path as well. This is how this works. Now come to the next case. In this case, S2 is connected to grounded. S2 is grounded or connected to the ground, and S1 is connected to 5 volt source. So in this case, no current will flow from this path. No current will flow from this path. All the current will flow from here to here. We are not considering the current like from here for the time being. Now similarly, case 3 works in the same way, and now comes to the case 4. In this case, both switches are connected to 5 volt source, so there is no potential difference between these two paths. Now the current will not flow from any of the branch or any of the path, because there is no path of the current to flow. Current will not flow from the two points which has at the same point potential. So there is no path of the current to flow. LED will remain turned off in this case. Thanks for watching.